Now let's take a look at how to manage your columns in your lists and how to add custom fields. So currently we have these three default columns. We have assignee, we have due date, and we have the priority. We can manage these columns by clicking on the plus icon right here, and then to hide or show specific columns, we want to go to the Show Hide tab up here. And then we can see the fields that are currently shown. We have assignee, due date, and priority. So we can deselect them by just clicking on them here. Or you can also add more columns, so more fields to be visible inside of our list. So maybe something we want to add is maybe something like linked docs. We can just click on it here, and then it will be visible in the Show Fields. And when we click out of it, we can see that right here. Now, currently we don't have any docs linked to any of these tasks, but if there are any docs, we can see them right here. Then we can also add custom fields, so columns that aren't existing currently in this list, by again clicking on the plus icon. And now we're going to stay here in the new column tab, and then we can take a look at all of the different custom fields we can add. We can add a drop-down menu, we can add some text, we can add a date, progress bar, checkboxes, emails, files. So all kinds of things that make sense for our list. Now, as an example, maybe let's add a progress bar, and let's just name it progress and keep all of the default settings and click on add column. And then we can see in the last column, we have this progress bar. All the tasks that are in the to-do status, they are at 0%. The ones that are complete are obviously at 100%. And it can also be something in between. For example, for this task here, we have a couple of subtasks. So when we complete some of these subtasks, then the progress bar should actually increase to something like 33%, 66%, depending on how many subtasks we have done.